Hi all, welcome back to our channel. In this video, it helps you to know about opportunities and meetings in the Odoo 15 contacts module. The user can view some basic menus after creating new contact in Odoo 15 contact module, and this includes the meetings, opportunities, sales, subscription, purchases, and so on. So let's have a look at the detailed view of some of the sub menus. You can see the meetings menu after creating a new contact. So click on that and we will direct to a new window. In this calendar view, you can view the meeting based on the day, week, month, and year. And the right part of the window depicts the calendar and the attendees information. We can add more attendees by clicking on this plus icon. You can also develop an event by clicking on a particular date. And in this events window, we can enter the meeting subject and select the create icon. We can view the created event in the calendar along with other activities. Moreover, the user can view the list of meetings from the list view of this meetings window. Here the details such as subject, start date, end date, attendee's name, location, duration can be seen here. The create icon in the meetings window assists to create a new meeting. So a new meeting page opens before you after selecting this button. Here we can enter the meeting subject and then we can choose the attendees from this drop down menu. In this field we can enter the meeting subject. It is possible to add multiple attendees here. It is necessary to send emails and SMS for attendees regarding the event. Inside the meeting details tab, we can enter the significant information regarding the meeting. So we can add the event start date inside the starting at the option and stop date of an event on the ending at section. Next, we can set the duration for your event and we can choose the organizer. So the organizer is auto allocated here. Enabling the all day option lead to removing the date section inside the meeting details tab. The reminders are the notifications sent to the attendees related to the meeting and you can choose it as email, SMS, notification, etc. After that, we can enter the location of the event and the meeting URL. Later, you can apply the tags suitable for your meeting from the tags option. In the end, we can add the information about the meeting inside the description box. And a new screen appears before you after selecting the email option. Here we can add the contact inside the recipients option to notify about the events. Then we can apply the meeting name in the subject section. Then you can add the details of event inside the box. So we can use a template for the email and then we can attach the files even using the attach a file button. Then select the send icon after adding all these details. A send SMS text message window opens up after clicking on this SMS button. So here we can add the message and select the send now button to reach the event message for attendees. The option tab of the meetings window contains a recurrent option and you can make the meeting repeat in several intervals. We can add the number of repeating recurrence inside the repeat every and we can choose it based on the day, week, month and year. So you can enable the days in a week after selecting the week option from the recurrence section. Then the user can set the repetition number until the end date, forever or specific day inside this until option. The privacy option assists with visibility of event based on public, private or only internal users. And it can show as the availability for a meeting or busy for the unavailability at the meeting time. Then we can select the save icon after adding all information regarding your meeting. So the user can see the scheduled meeting inside the contacts window. Now Now we can click on the opportunities menu in the contact window. So a new window opens before you. You can develop opportunities using the create icon in this window. After clicking on this create icon, we can enter the linked partner in the organization or contact option. Later, we can add the opportunity name, email, phone number, and the expected revenue. And also here we have the option to set the priority. Then click on the add icon. In the campaign view, the opportunities are arranged in various stages such as new, proposition 1 and qualified. And here in this list view, the window shows the opportunity, contact name, company, salesperson, next activity, expected revenue and the stages. And here we have the graph view, pivot view, calendar view, dashboard view, cohort view, and also you can see the activity view. In the dashboard view of the opportunities window depicts the graphical pivot and the cohort view of the existing opportunities data. So the user can access the rate of expected revenue, average deal, prorated revenue, exceeding close days, etc. At the right end, you can see the count of win or loss ratio and the medium in a circular format. So we can apply several measures into the graph such as probability, automated probability bounce, days to assign, days to convert, expected revenue, probability, prorated revenue, etc. On this pivot view, we can see the total count of opportunities on a specific date, and on the cohort view we can see the average count in a particular period, and it can be the close date based on the day, week, month and year. You can develop leads using the create leads icon in the opportunities window, so click on that. In this pop-up window we can add the number of companies or companies and their contacts. Then we can apply the name of countries in the countries option and the state inside the states field. Later we can select the industries from this drop down menu, and then we can fill the sales team, salesperson, and also we can provide the default tags from here. Then we can activate the filter on size SS to enter the size of employees in your firm. And by choosing the companies and their contacts, you can add extra contacts per company at the end. It is possible to filter based on the role or seniority, and you can select your role or seniority according to the filter you choose. After that, we can click on this create generate leads icon. So the Odoo 15 contacts module helps to schedule meetings for a specific contact, and the user can create opportunities and generate lead using the opportunities menu inside a particular contact. Hence, Odoo 15 contact module manages the opportunities and meetings scheduled by a specific individual. So that's all about the video. Thank you for watching.